Let's see, somewhere around here we should have some birds. Tell me if you can see any. I don't really know. Oh, there's a bird. As you can see, that's a very cool bird. Oh, it flew away. All right. Continue the nature documentary.
Rockly.
Yeah?
Give this to Amaya.
Okay. That was my mom. She's very much a natural thing. These are keys. They're made out of metal, so that's natural. There's Amaya. She's a human, so that's definitely natural. Hi. I'm making a nature blog.
Thank you.
Welcome. That's my friend Amaya. She's definitely part of nature, I guess. I don't know. And here we have the best example of nature. My dog's poop. Let's see. We continue on to some other areas, such as this dead grass. Pretty nice nature we got there. Back there is my lake. That's not too good of a nature to go to, because that nature's probably the bad nature that has snakes and stuff. See, more dead grass. We got some weeds over here. Very nice, very nice. Look at this. Let's see. Actually, no, that might just be big grass. We also got some clovers. That's some nice nature. We got whatever that is. This is a cool plant. It's cool. And over here we got the worst things ever. I'm stepping in them. Oh. It's ant colonies. Really horrible. Over here we got a tree. Oh, sorry, I left it zoomed in. Over here we got a tree. It's a nice tree. Got my tree. Has these nice little Bulbasaurs. Very nice Bulbasaurs. Let's see. We got this rubber tire. Most likely natural. The most natural thing about it is me. Yeah, that's a stone. Yeah. And more clovers. The dent in the wall towards my room that someone did because they crashed into my house, but that's not important right now. It's not important that someone crashed into my house and made a huge dent. Ah! We didn't run. It's a wild Dinosaurus. And out in the distance, we have a wild Aaron, the brother of my best friend that you just saw earlier. As you can see, he's clearly going into his natural habitat. And over here we have a meteorite canyon. This is the very top. You see, this is ultra zoomed in. As you can clearly tell, that's about 5 miles deep. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And I would show you the canyon in my backyard. I really would, but that's far into the woods near the side that way of the pond. So I can't really right now. Here we got the truck. It's the very blue truck. Probably a good truck. Shouldn't be over here because there might be snakes near the shed. And this is my stepdad's shed. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's kind of nature because it's made out of wood and paint. So yeah, that's nature. We got this. Pretty sure that's where the snakes be at. We got this sculpture of my mom. Well, it looks like mom, but not really. I don't know. We got the nature wall. Just a lot of plants growing on a wall. We got the very broken water spout. Spider died trying to climb up this. Here we got last place I've seen a snake. What? Oh. Breaking
I'm
news.
a Dinosaurus T-Rex.
Ah!
Ah!
Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
All
right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, buddy.
Bye. Bye.
Toodles.
And here we have the the wild newspapers. Very much natural because they're made out of more trees. Here we have the nature killer, home defense. Under here we have my dog's kind of hangout place. And my dog's place. His place. Pretty sure you don't know what he uses this for. It's not a real fire hydrant, by the way. We got this random birdhouse. And that's the end of the nature blog. Hope you guys all enjoyed and see you next time.